Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys know by the title, I'm going to show you guys how I silk press my hair. If you're new, welcome. My name's Alicia and I am a newly relaxed girl. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I've used to get my hair straight and actually stay. I'll show you guys the products that I've used and that I stick to, and this helped me just to help me retain that silk press, because you guys, it takes a lot of work and I don't want all that work going down the drain. Okay, so let's get right into it. So when it comes to silk pressing your hair, the foundation is really important. I started off on very clean hair. What I did was I do a either clarifying or detoxing shampoo, and I used the Way Detox shampoo. This is a shampoo that I got from Sephora. You guys don't have to use Way. You can use any product that says clarifying or detoxing, okay? This really sets your hair up for success because number one, you're eliminating all the grease, all the oils, all the gels, all the edge control, everything that you have in your hair. It is going to detox it right out, so that way you are starting off with a clean slate. But after you do that, you definitely want to follow up with a hydrating shampoo, because detoxing really strips your hair, and when you add heat to it, you don't want your hair to be dry and brittle because it's just going to break, and that's what we don't want. Okay, so you want to make sure that you go in with a good detox shampoo, which I did, and my hair is also deep conditioned as well, so all the moisture, all the hydration and everything that it needs is in there. So the next important thing that you want to do when you are silk pressing your hair is you want to have as least amount of product in your hair as possible. You know, when we were younger and we would literally like put Vaseline and grease on our hair and then we just put it through with the flat iron, you guys, that is no longer what we do. Okay, we know better, so we do better. So basically what you want to do is you want to use products that are specifically used for pressing and for silk pressing your hair, meaning that you want to use protective serums. You don't want to use anything that has petroleum or oil in it, because it's just gonna fry your hair between the plates. Like, honestly, that's something that we don't want to do. Okay, so you want to grab products that are specifically for flat ironing your hair. I'll show you guys the two products that I'm gonna use. The two products that I'm gonna use is from BioSilk. They're called Silk Therapy Original and the Silk Therapy 17 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. These two products are literally the only two products that I use when I flat iron my hair, and I don't even use a lot. Okay, a little goes a long way. If you find that when you press your hair doesn't fall down but it goes like this, like you want it to go like this but it's going like this, and I want it to go like this, that is because you have way too much product in your hair, sis. Cut down on that product. Use only products that you need, and just be very conscious of if your hair is thick or thin. If you are on the thinner side, use way less product. Okay, if you're on the thicker side, I suggest using less product, and if you feel like you need more, then you add on, because it's better and easier to add on than to take away. Next is you want to give yourself a good foundation by giving yourself a good blow dry. If you blow dry your hair really well, you're not going to need as much heat when it comes to flat ironing. So my suggestion is always detangle your hair prior to blow drying it, and then once you blow dry it, try to get it as straight as possible, because if it's straight, that means you only have to do one pass when it comes to your flat iron, and you don't want to do multiple passes, because multiple passes could equal up to heat damage, and that's something that we don't want. Okay, so make sure you have a good foundation, detangle your hair really well, and use a good blow dryer, and just blow dry your hair well. I'm gonna show you guys the blow dryer that I use. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it's definitely not necessary to get those expensive blow dryers. You can get really good ones from Walmart, the hair store, and they work just as well. It's mostly not really what you have, but how you use what you have. I'm also going to be using the Color Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat Ultra Moisturizing Anti-Frizz Treatment. This definitely helps when it comes to the frizz that comes with flat iron your hair, because once you step outside, you guys know the humidity and the wind and all the elements will definitely puff up your hair, and I've used this product before and I love it, so we're going to use this product as well. So the blow dryer that I use is the Babyliss Pro blow dryer. I absolutely love this blow dryer. It gets hot really hot, and it blow dries my hair in like 0.2 seconds literally. So I love using that. You could either use a concentrator nozzle, you could use it like this with a brush, you could use it with the comb. I like using it with the comb because it goes by so much faster. Mind you, this is just like a universal comb. I don't think it came with this. So I just put it on like this and blow dry my hair. It makes it so much easier. But before I do that, always add heat protectants. The Color Wow Extra Strength is a hair protectant, as well as the Bio Silk Therapy. So this is what I use as a heat protectant, you guys. And I honestly, like I said, I don't use too much. So I'm gonna spray this on my hair. It says shampoo, condition, which we did, towel dry, divide into sections, spray each section liberally, comb through. Blow dry each section using tension. Dry heat required to activate. If using a straightening iron, heat should not exceed 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Long lasting, use every 3 to 4 shampoos. So that's what we're gonna do. So that's all the benefits that our hair needs, okay? So we're gonna put this in our hair and then just get to work. So you see how my hair literally just falls into place? Like it's not stiff or anything. That's because I didn't use as much product, and that is something that you want, okay? You don't want something to be like stiff and like stay up there. No, you want it to fall, and that's how you know you're gonna have a really good silk press. So this is my hair all flat, all blow dried. And this is what you want. You want free flowing hair. You don't want nothing that's stiff. You want it to be able to move. And if it can move while it's blow dried, it can move while it's flying. Okay guys? So we're gonna get into the silk press part. Okay, so this is how the top of my hair looks, and it's super shiny. Like, what? Don't hate. Okay, so I'm using my Revlon 1-inch flat iron. This was my big girl purchase when I really got into flat iron my hair, and you guys might not think this was a big girl purchase. For me back then it was, because I wasn't working, I had no job, and I was in school, and I invested in this flat iron, and you guys, I absolutely love it. Obviously you guys can see I use it to this day. It goes up to 225 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is. Let me see what that is in Fahrenheit. 225. That is 437 degrees Fahrenheit, but I do not go up there. I don't pass 175, and 175 I believe is like 240 Fahrenheit. 175 or 347, sorry. So that's what I'm using on this part of my hair. So if you want a really silk press, don't be scared of using heat. I know a lot of people are scared of using heat. I don't know why. You guys, if you protect your hair properly, you should not have a problem with heat. You should not have any type of heat damage because you protected your hair, okay? And that's why I also say make sure you have a good foundation when you do this hairstyle. Make sure you blow dry your hair really well. That way you don't have to use more than one pass. If you guys saw, I think I showed you guys, but I only did one pass and it still got my hair bone straight. Like, obviously I have the kink in it because of my natural hair, but this is only one pass. That's all you need, okay? So we're gonna do it in small sections. Okay, the smaller the section, the better. And also the chase method, I find really helps. When you chase your hair, you actually have an even distribution of heat on each strand. That way, again, your hair gets flat ironed very easily and very evenly, and you don't have to go back through the flat iron 2, 3, 4, 5 times again because you didn't get an even distribution. So if you can, try to chase your hair and also take smaller sections, and you will have a good silk press. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after I am done. You guys, it looks so good. It's shiny. Like, do you see that shine? Come on. Y'all can't say black people's hair don't shine. It's not healthy, because this is proof right here. What I really want to do is I want to bump the ends a little bit. So I'm going to use my Velcro rollers and just add a little bit of a bump at the end, just to make it look a little bit more oomph, and then we are good to go. Okay guys, so I'm super late for work. I'm just gonna take these out and show you guys how my hair looks. Let's see how it looks, you guys. I think hopefully it looks good, but we gonna see, okay? We gonna see. Okay, so this is how my hair looks, you guys. This just shows you that I know what I'm talking about when I talk about silk presses. So you know what? You don't want to know a little something, 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 something. Just hit that subscribe button, okay? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys love this hairstyle because I am loving it a lot. Oh, I'm also gonna put in some shine spray by Mael. It's rice water shine mist. Just a little bit because we don't want it to like weigh down our hair at all. Focus on it, focus. Alright, you're focusing. There you go, right here. Okay, just a little bit just to give it some shine. And that's literally it. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys like this hairstyle, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.